Hello friends! No, this is not a how to make PUBG ESP in under 10 years. I have no idea if you can hack Valorant, and I do not know how to find this on iOS, jailbreak or no jailbreak. In all seriousness though, thank you so much for all the wonderful comments. I do read them all, even the ones held for review. Not to mention the wonderful support and memes over on Discord. You are truly epic.
But you know what I like a lot more than materialistic things? Knowledge.
That's the hacking group we've been reporting on. It's claimed responsibility for recent attacks.
Now, if it's not a how to hack any game in 2022 video, then what is it? As you may have guessed already, it's a end of the year type of video. Summing up what happened in 2020 and making plans which I definitely will not keep for 2021. Very recently, this channel grew over 2,000 subscribers. Even more importantly, over 4,000 hours watched within the last 365 days, because this means the channel now meets the requirements to join the YouTube Partner Program. Amazingly, only a few days after applying, we did indeed get accepted, which means you get to enjoy amazing ads like Raid Shadow Legend and Pepsi featuring Kendall Jenner, and I get to make around 50 cents every single day. Well, so what happened? Let's take a look behind the scenes and dig into that data. As you can see here, overall trend is a positive one. And all the way on the right hand side, proof that I am on my path to become the next Bezos. Over in the video section, the most relevant stat, to me at least, is the like ratio. No complaints there, average is over 95%. Amazingly, not a single dislike on the probably most mathematical video on ESP ever made. I am impressed, you guys. On a serious note though, whenever I upload a video, I always have this nagging question of, did I fuck up this time? And will they finally realize that I'm a fraud, a skid, and I have no clue what I'm doing? Well, luckily no one figured it out yet. But be warned, my videos may give the impression, but I too am a student, quite literally. I am still learning myself, and I did and I will make mistakes. All I can promise you is that I really do try to give you the best I can. So where do we go from here? Well, I have a lot of videos planned, including but not limited to aimbot, radar, IMGUI introduction, hooking DirectX 11 and maybe OpenGL, an improved AOB scanner, mostly it's gonna be faster, sending input to minimized applications or applications in background in general, updates to the casual library, and minhook, so how to hook x86 and x64 targets. If that sounds interesting to you, subscribe if you have not already. As always, all that's left to say is that's it for this video, friends. Stay safe, the year is almost over. Until next time, friends, talk to you soon.